Hey there, future real estate moguls and side hustle enthusiasts. What if I told you that empty rooms in your listings or even your friend's house could become without lifting a finger? That's right, in this video, I'll show you how AI virtual staging is the hottest passive income side hustle of 2025. So, buckle up and get ready to turn those vacant spaces into cash-generating machines. Let's kick things off with why virtual staging matters. Did you know that vacant homes sell 73% faster when staged physically or virtually? It's true. But here's the kicker. Virtual staging costs 90% less than traditional staging. Plus, you can work remotely anywhere, anytime. Talk about a game changer for your bank account and lifestyle. Now, you might be wondering, what exactly is AI virtual staging? Well, my friends, it's like magic for empty rooms. AI image processing overlays furniture and decor to empty room photos using a combination of computer vision and generative AI. The best part? Most platforms are cloud-based, meaning you can stage rooms with just one click, no software installation required. It's so easy, you'll wonder why you didn't start sooner. Let's dive into the top AI tools making waves in 2025. First up, we've got Hoki. This mobile and web-based platform is perfect for beginners, offering a free to-start option with 5 free images per month. Next, there's Stager, boasting one-click staging and customization options, starting at around £19.99 per month. For those looking for unlimited revisions and virtual renovation capabilities, StyleDot is your go-to at $16 per image. And if you're all about quality and fast turnaround, Box Brownie delivers in about 48 hours with multiple style options. But wait, there's more! Don't forget to check out other budget-friendly options in the market. The virtual staging world is constantly evolving, so keep your eyes peeled for new tools that might fit your needs perfectly. Now, let's get down to business. How do you launch your own AI virtual staging side hustle? First things first, choose your tool based on your budget and the volume of images you plan to work with. Then create a killer portfolio by staging 3 to 5 sample rooms with varying styles. This will showcase your versatility and attract potential clients. Speaking of clients, where do you find them? Start by reaching out to real estate agents and firms. They're always looking for ways to make their listings stand out. Don't forget about property managers and DIY realtors, too. They could become your bread and butter. When it comes to pricing, aim for $30 to $100 per image, depending on the complexity and your experience. And remember, speed is key in this business. Most tools deliver results in seconds to hours, so make sure you're just as quick with your turnaround time. Ready to take your side hustle to the next level? Let's talk about scaling up and adding passive income streams. Start by offering your services on freelance platforms like Fiverr and Upwork. It's a great way to build your client base and reputation. Next, consider partnering with agencies for bulk orders. This allows you to charge a premium and establish long-term relationships. But don't stop there. Create digital products like Canvas staging templates or how-to guides. These can generate income even while you sleep. And for the ultimate passive income boost, develop online courses or books teaching others your virtual staging process. Now, I know what you're thinking. Does this really work? Well, let me share some real success stories that'll knock your socks off. Take Alice, for example. She's making $5,000 per month staging part-time using a combination of HOQI and StyleDot. Her secret, marketing her services on Instagram. Then there's Dave, who partners with local realtors and earns $200, $500 per listing. Talk about turning pixels into profit. But don't just take their word for it. The stats speak for themselves. Virtual staging boosts buyer engagement by 83% and speeds up sales by 73%. That's a win-win for both you and your clients. Of course, like any business, there are potential pitfalls to watch out for. First and foremost, avoid unrealistic, cartoonish staging. Buyers want to envision themselves in the space, not feel like they're stepping into a video game. Always disclose to buyers that the images are virtually staged to maintain transparency and trust. Pro tip: keep backups of the original, unstaged photos. You never know when a client might want to compare or make changes. And speaking of changes, decide upfront how you'll handle revision requests. Consider limiting the scope or charging extra for extensive modifications. Alright, future virtual staging superstars, we've covered a lot of ground today. From the basics of AI virtual staging to launching your side hustle and scaling it up, you're now armed with the knowledge to turn empty rooms into cold, hard cash. If you're ready to start your AI side hustle and transform vacant spaces into moneymakers, hit that subscribe button, give this video a big thumbs up, and drop your questions in the comments below. I'm here to help you succeed. Don't forget to check the description for links to HOQI, StyleDot, Box Brownie, and my free starter checklist. It's packed with everything you need to kickstart your virtual staging journey. Remember, the world of real estate is changing, and AI virtual staging is leading the charge. So why not get in on the action and start building your passive income empire today? Who knows, your next empty room could be your ticket to financial freedom. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, keep staging, keep hustling, and keep turning those empty spaces into money-making masterpieces.